Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Chinese with Taranum. Today we are going to learn some must-know phrases in Chinese that are super useful in daily conversation. Let's begin with phrase 1, that is 怎么了, which means what happened, what's wrong. Here's an example sentence on your screen. 你看起来不舒服，怎么了？你看起来不舒服，怎么了？ You look unwell. What happened? This is a great phrase to show care or concern to someone. This is something you can use when someone looks upset or unwell. Now move on to the next phrase, that is 加油. 加油, which means come on, keep it up, you can do it. It's used to cheer someone on and give them motivation. For example, if your friend is nervous before a test, you can say 你可以的，你可以的，加油. Come on, you can do it. Now, phrase number 3. tiān. tiān. It means oh my god or wow. You can use it when you are really surprised or amazed. Here is an example sentence you can see on your screen. 天啊，好漂亮！天啊，好漂亮! Oh my god, so beautiful. You can use it when you see a beautiful dress, a view, or even a person. It shows excitement and admiration. Okay, that's all for now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Chinese learning videos. Comment below which phrase you have heard before or want to practice. See you in the next video. Goodbye. 再见.